let's say you want to center everything inside this column widget. Okay, well, I did not teach this to you yesterday. Let me just say this. There are two different properties of this column widget called as main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. Main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. இதை நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you don't need the center widget. I'll tell you how to use this. So ஒரு காலம்க்கு what's the main axis? Your basic mathematics, your coordinate geometry. ஒரு காலம்க்கு what's the main axis? Wait, even I can't remember. What's the main axis? Y axis, right? ஒரு காலம்க்கு y axis is the main axis, na? Yes or no? Okay. And for what's the cross axis then? If the main axis is y, what's the cross axis?
X.
X, okay. Is that clear? Like main axis and cross axis. ஒரு காலம்க்கு main axis is y, ஒரு ரோக்கு main axis is x. ஒரு காலம்க்கு cross axis is x, and for a row cross axis is y. Do you get the difference? Just try to write it down and think of it. Column ku what's the main axis? Y axis, right? So let me just show this. Let me try. Okay, let me first hot reload this and show you what will be the output. Look at what happens. So initially na endha axis define panala. Okay, well, so this text hello world is on the left side of the screen. It's on the left side and the top of the screen. Okay, so let me change the main axis alignment. See what happens. Main axis alignment. Let me try center. Main axis alignment dot center. Okay, see what happens. Right? Y axis it's in the center now. Somebody might say, this Y axis illa, this X axis thana appdinga correct? Yes or no? How many of you say like the change was done on X axis? I just made a change. In the change வந்து X axis la நடந்ததா Y axis la நடந்ததா? That's the question.
Y down.
Okay. Okay, how do you say it's y axis? See, ana adu vandu center la change agale, side la dhaan change aayirukku. How do you say it's y axis? Does anybody have a confusion with that? Does anybody have a confusion like why is it y axis? Because I had this confusion. It's okay if you have, just let me know if you have this confusion so that I can explain this with you with a graph maybe. Okay, Sneha, I'll repeat this again and I'll repeat this. Right? So we were talking about coordinate geometry, right? Okay, let me just tell you the basics. Which is the y-axis, which is the x-axis? I want you to speak. Which is the y-axis, which is the x-axis?
The horizontal line is the x-axis, the vertical line is the y-axis.
Okay. So we were talking about main axis alignment and cross axis alignment, right? Now let's say, okay, now for column, we are talking about column. So for column, which is the main axis? Main axis and cross axis. Which is the main axis, which is the cross axis?
Y is the main axis.
Y is the main
X
axis.
Is the
X is the cross axis. So this is clear, right? So now let's say the main axis alignment is equal to center. What does that mean? Main axis alignment is equal to center. So which is the main axis here?
Y.
Okay.
Right.
So where is the center of Y?
X axis.
The center of Y is here, right?
Yeah.
This is the center of Y, right? Now let's say for example, let's say the y-axis is not here. Let's say the y-axis somewhere over here. Okay, let's say the y-axis is somewhat inclined to the left side. Now where is the center of Y? Over here, right? This is the center of Y, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
This is the center of y, but this does not necessarily have to be the center of x. Am I right? Just because y-axis and x-axis meets there, it does not mean that this is actually the center. Now in our application, what was the output? We had an output something like this, right? We had an output like, let's say this is the app. We had hello world over here. This was the output, right? Yes or no? This was the output, right? We had a hello world on the left side of the screen, but centered. It was on the center of the screen, but inclined to the left side. We had something like this, right? Yes or no?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Okay. Others, why aren't you responding? Output if what was the output? We had an output, something like this was the app bar, this was the app bar, this was the app bar, and the hello world was on the center. Hello world was on the center. Hello world was somewhere like this. This was the output, right? Yes?
Yeah. Same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how did this happen? Let me just show you what actually happened. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, so it happened just like how we programmed. Our program was, what we programmed was, main axis alignment is center. Main axis alignment is center. So what's the main axis here? Main axis is y, and it was there on the center of y. That's true. But cross axis alignment, by default it is start, because we never overrided this cross axis alignment. Always remember, guys, if you do not mention what the main axis alignment and what the cross axis alignment is, by default it will take start. So what is start? Start is the leftmost side, the topmost side. That is the default one. But what we did in our program was, we overrided this main axis alignment with center. We changed the default property of main axis alignment to center. But the cross axis alignment, by default it is start only. So see what happened. This is the cross axis is x axis, right? Cross axis is x axis. So cross axis is on the start. That's correct. See, this is the beginning of the x axis and the cross axis is on the start. This is right. But look at the main axis is y. Look at main axis. For main axis, it is there at the center actually. So this happened just like how we programmed. So do you get what happened now? You might feel this, because I too felt this. இப்போ ஒரு widget நீங்க main axis alignment is equal to center அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறீங்க. ஆனா பாத்தீங்கன்னா you would be expecting an output like this. Let me show you what you might have expected. You might have expected an output like this. யாராவது இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணீங்களா? மெயின் ஆக்சிஸ் அலைன்மெண்ட்டை சென்டர்னு செட் பண்ண உடனே ஹலோ வேர்ல்டு இந்த மாதிரி வரும்ட்டு யாராவது எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணீங்களா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? பிகாஸ் ஐ எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் திஸ் when I ran this for the very first time. Nobody? Exactly. That's the difference. Look at this. If you set your main axis alignment to center, this is how it will happen. The one on the left side, this will be your output, because main axis is y axis தான் நீங்க center பண்றீங்க. This will happen, the one on the right side will happen when your cross axis alignment is center. Cross axis alignment center and set பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get this output, the one on the right. Main axis alignment நீங்க center set பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get this. So this is main axis alignment, center. Do you get the difference? Do you get how it works now? Yes or no?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to do this. I'm having an activity for you. Just write a widget. Okay, well, just write a widget. I want you to try these combinations. Let me just write it in short. Okay, so main axis alignment, center. I want you to try these combinations. So this is the first one. Second is main axis alignment, start, cross axis alignment, center, main axis alignment, center, cross axis alignment, start, main axis alignment, end, cross axis alignment, start, main axis alignment, end, cross axis alignment, center, main axis alignment, center, cross axis alignment, end. Okay, these are just few combinations. I want you to try these 6 combinations now. Try these 6 combinations. There are actually like plenty. That's 3 power, what's 3 power 2? 9 combinations, right? I've written only 6. Try these 6 combinations and let me know what are the outputs. Just take 5 minutes. This won't take more than 5 minutes for you. Take 5 minutes, change these combinations, see what happens. Yeah, and one more thing, you might have this confusion. நீங்க center and type பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will find more than one center. Okay, so what you have to do is, for main axis alignment, you have to set something like main axis alignment dot center. For cross axis alignment, it will be cross axis alignment dot center, something like this. Okay, so these 6 combinations, I want you to try these 6 combinations now. This is the first one. So let me know when you're done with these 6 combinations. Are you working this out? Okay, just try these. Let me know what you get as the output. Michelle, where should we type these? Under body. No, Michelle, you have to type these inside column. Inside column. Column, you have children, right? So type it probably like maybe do it above the children attribute. So you open column and inside column you have the children attribute, right? So do this above the children attribute. And one more thing, you have to separate each attribute by commas. Never forget that. You have to separate attributes by commas. And when a statement is finished, when an instruction is complete, you have to terminate it with a semicolon. Cross axis alignment isn't working. Yeah, that's expected. I'll tell you what's the problem. That's not working because you're having some text, right? So okay, I made some testing. Let me just remove this. I'll show you what the problem is. So you're having some text inside, right? There's this. Okay, let me just make a text here. You have to adjust the alignment of this text as well. Let me tell you what happens. Do you see what happens here? When you center the cross-axis alignment, it is actually centered, but the problem is your text widget is occupying the entire space. So you have to change the alignment of your text as well. So change it to center, you will get this output. Now let's say I'm changing this to end, you will get a different output. Let's say I'm changing this to left, or you can say start. That will give you the on the left side. Now let's try on start. Okay, it's like left and start are the same, right and end are the same. Okay, so you can either use start or you can use left, you will get the same output. And either you can choose end or right, you will get the same output again. So this is end, this is right, you will get the same output. So do you get the picture? It was actually working. The problem is your text widget is occupying this entire space, It's like after your text there is blank space completely. So in order to center it, you have to change the alignment of the text as well. That's the problem.
ஆனா எதுக்கு நான் cross alignment axis stretch கொடுக்கணும்?
Stretchங்கிறது என்னதுன்னா, இப்போ இந்த complete space இருக்குதுல, you have this complete row, right? Wait, let me just show you from a different screen.
நான் இன்னொரு மெயின் நோடு எங்க கமா போறது எங்க செமிகாலன் போறதுனே டவுட்டா இருக்கு.
Okay, அதான் இப்போ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன் இன்னொரு வாட்டி. Hamdan, is this idea clear? Do you get this picture? This is quite important. And the cross-axis alignment, why is it working?
Yeah, I get it. Bro.
It actually works. The thing is, it works only within this area. That's why you're not able to see the difference. But if you change the CAA to stretch and try to change the alignment of the text, you will see what happens.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Michelle, I have an
I
error.
can understand.
Okay. I have an error over here about a dead statement. Sneha, you might have messed up with the commas, I guess.
No, I fixed it.
You fixed it. Okay, that's good. 3
Yeah.
Mine is not performing hot reload. That's because you have an error. If you have an error, then hot reload will not work.